So, your guests are having fun. But when you are working in a bar, you have to be focused on the work. For your guests to keep coming to the bar, you have to provide them with high quality drinks. That is your job. In this video from Clarified Better, I will show you how to serve your drinks in sequence when you get a long order. You need to follow this order of serving, so that your drinks are served the way they are supposed to be served. It is called the calling order. But before I tell you all about the calling order, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the red subscribe button. We make videos for people working in hotels. These short videos help you learn basics of working in hotels in under 5 minutes. And in case you wish to learn in detail, you can always go to academy.clarifiedbetter.com, where we have certificate courses that you can get started for free. So back to the cocktail calling order. Like I said, we need to follow this sequence with long orders so that the beer is still ice cold and the sparkling wine has bubbles left. So if you get a long order, you need to start serving the neat drinks without ice first. Then serve the red wine, followed by bottled beer. Next start to make frozen drinks, pour the white wine and then serve on the rocks drinks. At the last you make a martini or other highball cocktail with carbonated beverages. At this point, you have most of the drinks on the bar. Now serve the draft beer and then hot drinks in the order.
Can I get a beer?
Sure, most of the orders are just 1 or 2 drinks. So just serve them as they come. But in case of big orders, follow the cocktail calling order. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up.